What is up, guys? MagFire here, and today I am bringing you an unboxing of LootCrate. Now, before I say anything, I'm just going to say that this is not sponsored by LootCrate. I'm just saying this that some lawyer doesn't show up at my door or something. I don't know. Anything can happen. So, yeah, let's get into it. So let's unbox the first item. The first item is, wow, I like it. Doctor Strange figurine. Just check it out. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah. Huh. Look at him with his portal. Show you the top of it. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm gonna place these items, or the items that'll look good, up on that shelf. So, yeah. Let's place this. Right? There. If you can see that. I'm filming this on my iPhone, by the way, and front facing, the back of it, because the front facing won't record audio. So, I don't know what you're looking at. I'm sorry if some things are cut off, but yeah, let's get into the next one. Okay, yeah. Look at this. This might be really shiny for you, but look at that. It's a Game of Thrones notebook. Let's open it. Got the bookmark, that thing. Just a nice notebook. Could be used for a homework reminder. That's pretty cool. I like it. Yeah. Okay, now we have a shirt. A blue shirt, or purple. Whatever you guys think it is. Don't fight over it. Yeah. If you can see that. I don't know if you can read that, but yeah, it's a Fantastic Beasts shirt. Right size for me, because they let me select a shirt size before I signed up. That's pretty good. Okay, next. How many more? 3 more things. Next is a comic book that I'm not going to open because it might be valuable later. I don't know, that might sound selfish, but it's a Big Trouble in Little China comic book. Escape from New York. Yeah. LootCrate. Okay, and then, we have a pin. Yes. A pin. A golden pin with dragons, 3 dragons. Okay, so I heard that if you get a pin, I don't know if I'm special or if it's just a first time LootCrate thing, that you get to win something if you get a pin inside. And I have a pin. Yeah. This might spoil that I opened it earlier. I'm sorry, that might have ruined the whole thing. But yeah, I opened it earlier and I recorded it, and it was a pretty good recording, but of course it was on the front facing and it didn't record it didn't record audio. So I'm doing this again, but still it's exciting as the first time. So yeah, I got a pin, and this wins me a game, online game. I'm not into it. I'm not into the game. Yeah, so here's the pin. I think I'm special. And here's the magazine inside, which tells you about everything that is in the crate. It is magical themed, of course. So, yeah, there's that. All the stuff. Yeah, here's the pin. The Elder Scrolls Online code. So if any of you want Elder Scrolls Online code, I might be able to give you that. Yeah. So, Oh yeah, let me show you the box. Here's the box. You guys can see that. And there's the box. There's the magical inside of it. Always something cool inside a Loot Crate box. Thank you guys for watching this Loot Crate unboxing. If you liked it, subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you later.